Hey guys, today we're gonna be pranking her sister.
She's in the room. She's watching literally videos all the time, literally. So we decided, we filmed a video of writing a song, and when we were watching it, we can edit it, right? We thought of a perfect idea. Kata was like, we should prank someone. And I was like, that's such a great idea. So we're gonna prank her because she's always on her phone.
This is on mine.
So first we're gonna find a water bottle.
This is what she gets for watching on her phone.
Yeah. So
She's
we're
always lazy.
gonna find a water bottle or like a spray bottle or something for we can.
I had one, but
sneeze on her.
it's at my house. I forgot. I shouldn't have got it.
Yeah. So let's go. Okay, y'all. So we're trying to find it right now. We can't find it. We're making a little vlog, right, Kata? We're eating chips right now. Want some?
No thanks.
Find it. We're trying to share. Okay.
Sharing is caring.
It is. It is actually. This is the fam. Stephanie have una notificaciones. We almost got caught, y'all. We had to play it slick real quick. Oh, okay, perfect. Look. Hold up, I'm gonna set you guys up right here. We have this, but this has something inside, and it's actually very useful. So, how about we try to this. No one uses this, so we can use this. I'm gonna go rinse this. I'm gonna bring y'all along. Okay, I'm going to the bathroom. Be back. A little too aggressive. Okay. I said y'all up here. If y'all fall, I apologize. Okay, I have this. It's perfume, but it's kind of slow. It kind of smells good. I don't know. It smells like nectar. Oh, but it smells good. We're gonna rinse the water bottle because we do not want to infect her eye with this. And we're gonna fill it up with water, and then we're just gonna pretend to sneeze on her, and I'm gonna tell her what to do. I'm gonna tell her to do this. Watch. I'm gonna have it closed. Obviously, it's gonna be closed. I'm gonna tell her to put it. I'm gonna tell her to put it in her glove or something, and then she go like, and it should be like, oh wait. And then it will like get on her, and she'll like sneeze. It will be like a sneeze, and then she can just throw it in her sleep, and it won't even look like she has anything. But she do, cause it's right there. Okay, perfect. Let's go. How do I Oh yes, I was just taking a little doodle. Oh, okay. Okay, she doesn't have a long sleeve on, so it's gonna be kind of hard to do this trick. Okay, she's coming. I'm gonna explain. Okay, got that. Come here. Okay.
Are you serious?
No. Yeah, but we can edit it together. Okay, so I got this. I rinsed it, and there's water in here. Okay, you don't have a long sleeve, but this is what I was thinking. You put it in your sleeve like this.
Well, I have pockets.
No, but it's not gonna work. I'll show you what to do right now. And then pretend she's laying down. Lay down. Let me see if the vlog can get you. Yeah, like that. Perfect. Look at the camera angle. Pretend you're on your phone or whatever. I'll come over. I'll sit on you. I'll sit right here next to you, and then like you rub your nose or something, and then go like this again. And then she'd be like, ew, ew. And then while she's wiping it off, throw it on the floor or like on the side where she won't see it, okay? But spray her like, make it loud, like ha, but she won't hear this. But she won't hear the click, okay? But since you don't have a thingy, I'm gonna get you like something to put on for she won't see it. So we got this already, and we got the perfect camera angle. I'll just be sitting right here acting like I'm doing the video or something while she's in the background spraying her, okay, y'all? But I need to find her like jacket or something. Okay, guys, we got everything figured out how we're gonna do it.
Like this.
This is gonna be the camera angle.
Yeah, sure, why not?
And I'm gonna sit right here on this side, so I won't really be in frame. You guys will see everything else in the background.
And then we're gonna do one of our dances later.
So we're gonna bring the victim in, but we're gonna act really sus.
I'll go bring the lazy girl in.
Okay, let me hold this. Hang on.
Right. Okay. Let's go. Wanna come in?
Okay, guys. Missiona's coming in. Missiona's sorry.
She's coming. She's just banging her nails.
So right now I'm gonna be doing a little.
I'm gonna go get some chips. Those little flame hot Cheetos. Flame hot Doritos.
I don't want some, but if you want some, you can go get some.
I'm gonna go check it there.
Okay.
Oh.
So today I'm gonna be writing a letter to my cousins because it's almost Christmas.
Thank you, mademoiselle.
And on the 23rd, we're gonna pick up packaging that me and my sister have. We bought a dozen of 4 cake pops, 4 cupcakes, 4 strawberries, and she bought a velvet cake. I didn't.
Where she went?
And homegirl won a giveaway.
I'm talking about why is it open?
Oh, I know these shit. They're spicy.
Because I love the spiciness.
Yeah, but this is the card. One of the cards I got for one of them. And I need to write whatever I need to write. So, can you get on my way? Like I'm trying to film. Like.
Want one?
Sure, I'll get one.
They're spicy.
Wait, hold on.
What are you doing, Stephanie?
I'm counting my money to see if I have enough to pay. I'm gonna go. I can't wait to edit the video of the church. I mean the modeling.
That was funny.
I didn't even know you recorded yourself doing your face.
Hey, look, you smacked that skincare.
The face wash did. Very minty. Corny, bruh.
Anyways.
It was a prank on you, but
Oh, what was that?
This.
Oh.
It's water.
Anyways.
that was somewhat of a good prank, I guess. Ew, it smells weird, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's like mango.
No, we rinsed it and it came out horrible. Okay, that was a horrible prank, by the way, guys. Props to her. And props to me for not doing anything, too.
She a lamer.
Thanks for watching Vlogmas 21st. I did not get superpowers, by the way. I didn't get superpowers. It was a hoax.
This time, can I hold the camera? Please.
Say bye.
Bye.